Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Bittorrent token guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of the Bittorrent token. And guys, I think that is a good news video for all of you because BTT start a quick jump guys, and that's really good news for all of you. Because you know what, on the 6th 7th September the price of BTT token very badly decreased, but in the latest situation the BTT price again start pump. Anyways, let's start the video guys, but before starting this video, please guys make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. The current live price of BTT token in the market is about 0.004143 USD dollar. That is the latest price of a Bittorrent token. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes occurred in the Bittorrent token, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day changes is positive, and last 1 week changes occur in the Bittorrent token is negative guys. On the last 7 days changes is negative, and except after 7 days changes is the previous changes is also positive. You can see here I'm talking about that fast. Here the price of BTT token very badly decrease, but if I zoom the latest situation price, so you can see here from 8 September the BTT token starts jumping again, but gradually, not a quick jump over in the BTT. Slowly the price of BTT start increasing guys, and I hope guys that in the next month the BTT token will give you a huge profit guys. Positive 8.18% positive changes occur in the Bittorrent token, and 0.005256 USD dollar is the highest price of a Bittorrent token guys. So now the latest situation of a Bittorrent token is going good. That's why I'm recommending for investment BTT token. What you think? What is your prediction about Bittorrent token? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.